Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, 2Min Maths. Today we'll be discussing trigonometric ratios in the simplest form ever, which is a very important aspect in learning right triangles and geometry. Now as usual, let's start off with an idea. Your goal is to find sine A given the following information, but how will you do so? Well, first let's start off with some basic vocabulary. Now, as you can see, I've labeled all three sides of the triangle different names. And as you can see, one of the angles has a different type of denotation. Well, this is called the reference angle. Now, you can denote this by the Greek letter theta, which is that little oval with the line crossed in the middle, or whatever angle the problem statement is referencing to. Now, the opposite side of a triangle is a leg opposite the reference angle. Now, the hypotenuse is a side opposite the right angle, is the longest side. In other words, it's the slope. And the adjacent is the leg that forms the angle with the hypotenuse. Now, let's move on into actually what trigonometric ratios are. Here's a quick recap of how your triangle should look like. And let's say that instead of theta, which is that little oval with the line, we're going to call it A. Now, the sine of angle A would be opposite over hypotenuse. The cosine of angle A would be adjacent over hypotenuse, and the tangent of angle A would be opposite over adjacent. A little nice skill to remember this is memorizing the SOHCAHTOA. Ka would be cosine and adjacent over hypotenuse, and then so would be sine opposite hypotenuse, and toa would be tangent opposite adjacent. Now let's move on to an example. Let's say we have to find the sine of angle A. Now let's recall that the sine of angle A is opposite over hypotenuse, and therefore the sine of angle A would be 3 over 5, or 0.6. I hope this video helped. Comment down below any other math topics you want me to review. Thank you.